Allycaral Vlogs. I wish you had a wonderful New Year Eve. And yes, we were feeling hungry while we were on a shoot, and so we found this place which serves some amazing shawarma. So we just decided to have something. So right now, as we were having this, we decided to shoot a video, and this is what goes into the shawarma that we eat. Have a look. And yes, that's the final topping, and with that we come to an end of this particular video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit a big fat like. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you're a new user. And yes, keep watching your favorite Allycaral Vlogs.